Between the waves of genocide, inside the persecution of hatred, we Rohingya lost our pleasant land. Most are shot and killed like flies. Thousands face the cruelest death. The sky cried for Rohingya. Children were thrown to the bonfire. Women were gang raped. The pregnant were stabbed in the bellies. The child is killed before the eyes of father, and father is killed in the sight of children. Men were dragged and beaten to death. We barely escaped from the mouth of crocodiles. And yet, the dream that I dream is the dream of the dreamland Arakan. When I look in the east, my tears flow like Mayyu river. My heart beats 200 times each minute. When I look in the east, I see the withered face of our village. When I look in the east, I feel like Mayyu mountain is beckoning me. I can see Mayyu mountain stretching their arms to have a hug with Rohingya. I want to go back home, a land of pleasure. I want to go back with our name Rohingya. But before our repatriation, give me a child to be protected from cruelty. Give me a safeguard to avoid discrimination. Give me a gun to avoid being refugee in future. That child is our citizenship rights. That safeguard is our citizenship rights. That gun is our citizenship rights. That's a strip of